Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the elseif and else conditional logic features in BitForm. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the Edit option below the form name. Now go to the Settings section. Then select Conditional Logics. Click on the Add Conditional Logic button. Set the condition based on your purpose. If the first name is equal bit, and the last name is equal apps, then the primary email field value is support@bitapps.pro. If the if condition is not met, then the else if condition is activated. If the first name field value is not null, and the last name field value is null, then the secondary email field value is test@bitapps.pro, and the phone number field value will automatically populate in the form page. Then click on the Update button. Now, if someone fills out the form with the first name is bit, then the secondary email and phone number field values will automatically populate in the form. Now let's fill out the form. If the if condition and the else if condition are not met, then the else condition is triggered. If the secondary email field value is support@bitapps.pro, then click on the Update button. When the form is loaded, the secondary email field value will remain as support@bitapps.pro because none of the previous conditions are fulfilled. Again, we fill out the form with the first name is bit, then the else if condition is triggered. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.